Muskingum River, Dresden boat ramp. I've never power boated in this section of the river. It's probably pretty shallow. You can go about 6 miles that way, 6.5 miles that way to Ellis lock11. That's non-functionable anymore. So this is probably real shallow around here, but it'd be a cool place to maybe boat sometime. I don't know if you could make it all the way up to the tusk from here. Probably start to hit. It'd be sweet to get a jet boat, something shallow. There ain't no current, so you could go, well, yeah, there is. It's probably going about 1.5 miles an hour. Maybe faster. It's pretty shallow if it's moving that fast. Old suspension bridge. Dresden, where the Ohio Erie Canal meets the Muskingum River. This outlet is this is the Muskingum River. This is about 6 miles upstream from Ellis lock11. We can no longer go through that lock. That's pretty cool. I had to stop and see this. There's actually a path to Ellis lock11. It's paved all the way. I don't know, it's probably 6-7 miles. A bike path all the way to Ellis lock11. But I was going to go kayaking, but I had to take care of some stuff, so I just decided to stop here on my way home from doing something. But this is like, it's a triple chamber lock. I don't know when it was last used, but the Erie Canal used to be about 2.5 miles from here, I think. It's pretty cool. This old stuff here. We got concrete on the walls. Just imagine taking your boat through here, going up and down. These look like they're probably about 14 by 80 foot long, maybe. Maybe they were about 4 foot deep when they stepped up each time. Imagine how sweet that'd be if they still had locks like this. Travel, boat. Just crazy the way they built stuff back then. Big old stones. I think these are about 200 years old, I believe. Look at that. Starting to move a hair. 200 years. Over by Ellis lock11, there's a lot of public hunting land over there. Flat stone. This is where it gets. This must have been probably was 8 foot deep chamber at one time. There's still some water in there, but it rained last week. Probably water or snakes. Goes down that way. And then there. Built right around the house, just built around it. It's pretty cool. Down in there. Muskingum River's way over there. That'd have been something. And then what's even crazier, there was probably a bridge across the creek that carried the canal with water in it. American Bridge Company of New York. There's just a paved walk and bike path that goes across the Muskingum River at Ellis, lock 11, right on the downside. Made over like 110 years ago. Shoot, I want to get on my bike. That's where I got stuck. You can see they trenched over there, or the water's higher. Before there was stuff everywhere.